Hi, ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? This is Matthews from Emedo Forex Traders. So, what we're looking at right now is on Card Swiss. We're looking at Card Swiss right now. So, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, you're going to realize that we've had this nice trend which has been happening since September, right? We've seen this good uptrend going to the upside like that. So, willing to continue with this particular move. All right. So what I did was I went to the lower time frame and then I was looking for my demand zone. So you can clearly see we have this nice drop based rally with this gap right here. So we have a drop based rally. So you drop even further to the lower time frame. Um yeah, you can see that we have this 3D drive right here. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. We have this 3D drive right here. We have one, two, three touches. And you can see that the market is in our area right here. So if we go to the lower time frame, I couldn't really find my order block clearly, so I just had to go with that one right there. Just had to since I can't go beyond 1 minute right here on this free one. So you can either pay this or just on the middle of that. So that's what I'm doing right now. So right now I'm just waiting for the market to give me the confirmation to actually enter into this particular trade. It's already in my zone. However, I want to see significant break of structure that's going to tell me that the market is going to move to the upside. Okay, so if you want to see, you can see right here that the market was also in a compression, and then you kind of broke out of the compression, push the upside and dropped a little bit. And then yeah, so let me show you something. So if we turn on the Q zone, the Asian Q zone, you're going to realize that the low of the Asian session has been taken out. Okay, and what we want is either the market to take out the low or the high of the Asian session, then the market can continue to go in the intended direction. So right here what we have is that the market has already taken out the Asian range, the Asian low. So we are looking for price to take out the Asian high right here, and then we have very significant candles at this level. Yeah. So this is what is happening right now. And then yeah. So if you look here, I'm trying to trading this on my Forex Fund demo account. Just recently bought the challenge. See, I'm not taking any trade. I'm still having about 20,000 in there exactly. So meaning I'm going to, if this trade gives me confirmation, I'm going to take this particular trade. I'm risking 1% of the account. So 1% of my account, if we can calculate, you can see that the stop loss is about three pips, right? Stop loss is about 3 pips. So let's just try and calculate that. So card Swiss $20, I'm risking 1%, and the stop loss is 3 pips. So if you do that the math right here, we're going to use this lot size right here. But however, I've chosen to go with instead of using $66 per pip, I've chosen to go with $50 per pip. So I'll enter this trade with slightly less than 1% of this trade. Yeah, so I'm risking about $200. Actually, let's go with this. All right, so 66 point. So we go with this. This is our risk. This is our risk right here. So that's what we're going to use as the lot size. If I remember that we are only risking, no matter even if you're using that bigger lot size, remember that you're only risking how much? $200. Okay, so our stop loss is 3.4 pips. So if this trade goes to the upside, breaks this level right here, then I'll be able to go in. If it continues to go to the downside, I won't even bother. So if you look at this we have this downtrend like this. All right. So the most recent low is this one right here, like that. So I want to see this being broken, and also this one right here. Okay, now you can see the market now pushing with good momentum. So once the market breaks this and almost like this, somewhere at this level right here, then I'll be able to enter this particular trade. Remember, it's already in my zone, so I'm just waiting for really some really important confirmation for me to actually enter into this trade. So this is a live trade. So let's see how it's going to move, right? So I can see some good momentum right there. So let's see a break of that. Once the market breaks that, I'll be willing to jump into this trade, and we'll see how it plays out. I'll record everything so that you see how it plays out. If this trade continues to go according to what I think it's going to do. All right. So let's sit tight and observe what the market is doing. And you can clearly see that I'm ready to send this trade to a private community. I'm just waiting for the confirmation, right? So this is how it is. The market is still just consolidating. We're just seeing the market consolidating and everything. Remember, this is also I'm looking. I'm watching the market at the 1 minute time frame. So that's the reason why you're seeing these big spikes right here. Yeah, so there's this one quote that I loved. It's a few days ago. I was listening to some podcast. Guy said it's better for you to wish to have entered into a trade than to wish you didn't enter into a trade when you're there, when in the trade. It's better to wish you have entered in the trade when you're not in the trade than to wish you never entered the trade when you're in the trade. See how profound that is? So it's better to wish to have entered into the trade when you're not in the trade than to wish you've not entered the trade when you're in the trade. So what happens is that, um, for example, if you have FOMO, when you saw this big momentum right here, if you just entered right here from here, see what happened. You could enter just from this tail candle right here. Right now, I would have been wishing we didn't enter into this particular trade, right? Yeah. Of course, there'll be times when you hesitate like this, and the market continues to push in an uptrend. So it's better. So what it's saying, literally, is that it's better to wish to have entered a trade when the trade left you than to have entered into a trade and the market is now coming to into drawdown. So that's how it is. So always look for those extra confirmations. Make sure that you're really confident that the market is actually uh, reacted clearly and it has given you a clear indication of it actually potentially going to your direction. Yeah. So you can see that I've put an alert here. So just in case I miss out, just in case I step out, if this market comes here, at least I'll get notified and I can right from there just enter. But right now I'm not getting any I'm not getting any confirmations for entry right now. So we're just going to wait, watch until we have a clear indication of the market actually going in our direction. So compression. Remember, a rising wage. What is a rising wage? I mean, this is a falling wage. Let me just show you how a falling wage looks like. A falling wage pattern looks like this. You see? So that's also an added confluence. When you see a falling wage like this, usually a sign that the market is likely to push to the upside. You can see when you have a falling wage, most of the time it's a bullish confirmation of what? Of an uptrend. So we go ahead and wait. So that's just some added confluence. You can use that as a confirmation. So the Asian law has been completely faked out. So let's see if it's going to push it upside. Let's see if this trend is going to push it upside. So I'm recording this live for me to share with you guys, the process and everything else, so that you get to see the emotions and everything else. Yeah. So if we had entered, it would have been taken out by now. Would have been taken out if we had entered into this particular trade. So let's see if the market is going to try and push to the upside, or to just continue to fall like it's falling right now. We're getting some response right there. We're going to give a look at seeing some push, a little bit of a push to the upside. Hope we can have a follow through of that momentum. That's good right there. So we just want to see them, make sure that the market breaks this high right here. Then we'll jump in. Yeah. So we're loving the momentum. That momentum is good. So we wait for that momentum to actually push. We need a follow through of that momentum so that we can break this high right here. Once we break this high, we're going to just jump in right there. You can see that I'm ready to pull the trigger right here. I'm ready to pull the trigger. been 20 minutes of me recording this video. Wow. Okay, now we have a little bit of a good push right there. That's nice. I like that momentum. We're about to go in right now. We're about to move in. We're about to go in right about now. We are about to jump in right about now. Okay. Break that, we're in. Break this level, we're in. Stop loss just below here. Target above there. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let's break above that level right there. We break above that, then we are good. Then we're good to go in. Wow. So I really wanted to watch this and to take this trade with you guys. That's the reason why I'm sitting on this chart like this. Like I wanted to record a good video for you guys so that I show you everything. Yeah. So this is around 6:50 in our country, Zambia. And right now we're about 10 minutes away from 7 hours in the morning, 7 a.m. in the morning. We are almost breaking that level right there. We're almost breaking that level right there. We're almost breaking that level right there. Yeah, we've actually broken the level. Now we can jump in and take this trade. So let's just jump in right now. This is crazy. Let's jump in right now. Okay, let's see what's happening on the 5 minutes. Okay, that's a clear break right there. Let's wait for this candle to close. Let's wait for this candle to close. Let's wait for that candle to close. 1 minute candle to close. Close above that, we are in. Okay, we are in now. Right there, we're in, and we've sent the signal to our private community. Just like that. Man, the spreads on this thing are high. Okay, so our target, our stop loss is about 200 pips, $200, and our target is about. So let me just delete this so you can see that our target is around $2,500 for about 400 pips right there. I mean 40 pips, sorry. And our risk is about a little bit than what I expected. Remember, according to the calculation, this was supposed to be $200. Apparently, here we are seeing about $300. Okay, so we can adjust that to $200. It seems like here it's showing 4 pips. So let's readjust that. But below that is alright. So let's see what is going to happen here. We wait and see what happens, right? So the signal has been sent to a private community, as you can see. So we wait and see what's going to happen right now. Fortunately, we're seeing a bit of a retracement there. Let's see what's going to happen in few minutes. All right, let me just step up. I'll be back in a minute. We are back. Okay, the market hasn't really done anything. It's still almost at that same level right there. This one doesn't look like it's going to work out. It has retraced after our entry right there. I think it's because of the spreads. The spreads are a little wide, a little wide on this particular pair. Instead, we entered right there, and then yeah, it was supposed to be somewhere here. So after the entry, just the market pushed it up the downside crazy. We are a few pips away from being stopped out. Very few pips away from being stopped out. Okay, so we'll watch the market and see what happens. All right. We are we are about a peep away from being stopped out. That's crazy, man. Literally just about a peep away, bro. A peep away from being stopped out. Yeah. These are the kind of things that you endure as a trader. You have to endure all this as a trader. All these are the emotions that you deal with as a trader. Wow. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. We are literally out here. It will be amazing to see this market push to the upside. Right now, I've lost confidence in this trade so far. Yeah, I'm just gonna say that. The likelihood of this trade working out is extremely low. So I'll be surprised if it works out. Really. Yeah, we are out. We are literally out. Yeah, we are out just like that. Wow. And a loss of the day has been taken. Okay. So predefined our risk, enter the trade, wait for all the right confirmations, but yet still felt. You can see the balance is no longer 20,000. The balance is now 19,666. So I've lost almost $300 right there. And guess what the market does? It tanks to the downside. Yeah. It happens every time. Every time. Alright. So you can wait for all your confirmation, all your confluence. Guess what? the market is always going to end up doing what it has done, what it has to. You can see that this is a $300 loss right here, just like that. Waited for all the confirmation, and yet the loss was taken. That's the game that we play. That's the game that we're in. All right. So you guys, I hope you found some value in this video. I know it's a painful video to watch, but I mean, this is what we endure. This is what we go through as traders. So it is what it is. So go ahead and look for other opportunities, and we'll update you guys. All right. So you guys take care of yourself. I hope you've learned something from this video. Always predefine your risk. Wait for your confirmation, and when the trade presents itself, don't hesitate to pull the trigger. All right, you guys, stay blessed. Until next time, goodbye.